Hello, everyone, and welcome to Easy English Conversation. Today, we have a special guest with us. He has traveled to many exciting places, and he is here to share one of his favorite experiences. Please welcome Daniel.
Hi, Daniel. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
How are you feeling?
I'm good and ready to share my story.
So, Daniel, where did you travel to recently?
I visited Japan, mainly Tokyo and Kyoto.
That sounds amazing.
Yes, it was one of my favorite trips so far.
Why did you choose Japan?
I always wanted to see the culture, the technology, and the old temples.
A nice mix of modern and traditional.
Exactly.
How did you feel when you first arrived?
I was impressed by how clean and organized everything was.
Many travelers say that.
And also, people were very polite.
What was the best moment of your trip?
Visiting the Cherry Blossom Park in Kyoto, it was beautiful and peaceful.
Sounds like a movie scene.
Yes, it really felt like that.
Did you learn something new about their culture?
Yes, I learned how much they value respect and time.
Time management is serious there.
Very serious, but helpful.
I must ask, how was the food?
Amazing. I tried sushi for the first time, and also ramen.
Did you like it?
I loved it.
Every trip has challenges. Did you face any?
A few, mostly language. Not everyone speaks English.
That can make simple tasks difficult.
Yes, even ordering food was funny sometimes.
What surprised you about Japan?
How quiet the trains were. Nobody talked loudly.
That's very different from many places.
I liked it actually.
Would you visit again?
Yes, absolutely. There is still so much to see.
That's the traveler spirit.
Once you start traveling, curiosity never stops.
Did you take part in any local traditions?
Yes, I joined a tea ceremony in Kyoto.
That must have been interesting.
It was slow, calm, and very respectful. I liked it.
Did you explore nature there?
Yes, I walked through bamboo forests.
That sounds peaceful.
It was quiet and very green, a beautiful place to relax.
How did you travel around the city?
Mostly by trains and subway.
Were they easy to use?
Yes, everything was clear and always on time.
Did you meet any new people there?
A few travelers and locals.
What did you talk about?
Mostly food, places to visit, and culture differences.
How was Japan at night?
Tokyo was bright and full of lights. Kyoto was quiet and calm.
Two different worlds in one country.
Exactly. That surprised me.
Did you learn anything new about yourself while traveling?
Yes, I learned I enjoy slow travel.
Not rushing makes the trip better.
And allows the mind to enjoy simple things.
What advice would you give to someone visiting Japan?
Plan a little, but don't overplan. Leave room for discovery.
That's great advice.
Unplanned moments become the best stories.
How is Japan different from your home country?
Very different, faster in some ways, calmer in others.
Interesting contrast.
That's what makes traveling exciting.
If you could describe Japan in one sentence, what would you say?
A place where tradition meets the future beautifully.
That's a wonderful summary.
And a trip I will never forget.
Daniel, thank you for sharing your travel experience with us today.
Thank you for having me. It was fun to remember it.
And thank you to our viewers for watching. We will see you next time on Easy English Conversation. Bye-bye, everyone.